All right, guys, so this is what's up today. We have the WeldTec crew here. Well, we got half of them. We've stolen from the shop, and we always say that we are going to get out of this darn parking lot, and today we're gonna do that. We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna go have some fun. We have 4 awesome vehicles behind us that we are going to take with us. I have a Nissan NV, a Ford Econoline, a Chevy Express, and an RV. So now the fun part is who gets what vehicle.
Dibs on the Nissan. I'm hitting up the 4x4.
I got the Econoline.
I guess I'm taking the one with the bathroom in it. Here we are, our first stop of the trip. We are off the Pine Valley exit off the 8 freeway, and we had to stop here because I don't even think words can explain this beautiful view. I love it. And some cool vans here. So I found the perfect backdrop out here on the road, and I want to take this time to just go over some of the vehicles that we have with us today. And I'm going to start off all the way on the right because this is one of the classic vehicles that built WeldTec Designs as far as when coming into the 4-wheel drive conversions. So this is an awesome Chevy Express. This is a brand new 2021 Chevy Express, and we have done this up with 4-wheel drive, and not to mention one step better than 4-wheel drive is our coilover conversion. So anybody that has a 4-wheel drive, definitely this is the way to go for the ultimate ride, and you guys have seen us play with this coilover setup in the desert. Next, we're gonna come into something totally new, guys, and this is what I'm always excited is to show you guys new products. And as we jump into this, this is our Nissan NV. This is another 2021 Nissan NV, and this is gonna have a 5-inch lift kit on it. This thing is awesome, drives amazing, and we're gonna hear from all the guys that got to drive each one of these vans today and give you their opinion on how it drives. Now, the big one here, you know, the big elephant in the room here is going to be the RV. And we love these RVs. I get to drive this RV today. I'm having a lot of fun driving it. And I will tell you that as I'm driving through these mountains, this handles amazing. It is really, really nice. And this is gonna have our 6-inch RV kit on it. It does have our bumpers and everything else on it, but just, man, guys, if you have an RV and you wanna be able to get off the path and just have a lot of fun, this is the way to do it. Get a lot of ground clearance. It's just, there's nothing bad. I mean, it's awesome. And then we're gonna just finish this off with the old classic, the OG van, our Baja Grocery Getter. This is what started everything when it comes to us in the van world, the van community. This is it, our Baja Grocery Getter. That's a 5-inch lift kit on the front. It also has our progressive springs on the rear. But I think enough jibber jabbering about these awesome vehicles. Let's go find some trails that we can really have some fun, get out and use all of the suspension that we put on these vehicles. I'm going driving. right, we had a ton of fun yesterday out filming vans. Today, you can see it's back to work as normal. However, I want to grab all the guys that went and got to drive a van yesterday, tell us what van they drove, what they loved about it, maybe what they didn't like about it, and let's see what van we could maybe crown the winner of our, little WeldTec adventure.
All right, hey guys, I'm Steve, this is Georgie, and we got to drive in the Chevy, the Ford, and the RV. And honestly, I was really surprised with all of them. They all drove really nice. If I could say anything, I really like, if I could take the power out of the Chevy and put it in the Ford, I was just amazed at how that thing ate up the road. And probably what I was blown away with the most was just the RV. That thing handled like a dream. It was just like riding on a cloud down the freeway on the way back. And honestly, I had a great time in all three vehicles.
My name's Danny, I'm one of the welders here, and I drove the Nissan NV and the Ford. And I liked the NV the best out of the two. I thought it had the smoothest ride, actually. The interior was really nice as well, actually. The whole car all the way on was just very clean and comfortable. Yeah.
So my name's Tony. I work here at WeldTec in the shipping and receiving department, and then I also help out in the shop sometimes. I got to drive the Chevy 4x4 and then as well as the Nissan NV. Between the two, I would say the Chevy is still my favorite just overall because it had more power. NV handled a little better. NV felt a lot more stable just in general. A lot of grip with it so that there was no slipping basically whenever I would take off with it. But the Chevy definitely equally had a lot of grip. Obviously four-wheel drive, and the Chevy just had lots and lots of power, had gobs of power compared.
Well guys, that was a ton of fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Something completely different from not only me here at WeldTec Designs, but the rest of the crew from WeldTec Designs out on our adventure. If you liked this new video that we did, please comment below. Let us know what you would like to see more of, maybe what you would like to see less of. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I know one thing that wasn't in this video was the Ford Transit, as we're gonna need someone else. We had too many cars, not enough drivers, but if you're missing a Transit video, come back Tuesday. Transit Takeover is back. We're gonna have me, and then it's time to give this van back to Rachel, guys. See you later.